I'm going to show you 3 plates, and at the end, I'm going to ask you, out of these 3 Valentine's-esque themed plates, which one do you think I like the most? So this is the first one we're going to discuss, and it's M451. I think this is called Love Letters. So this is a very, very straightforward Valentine's theme plate. It's got all sorts of cute things. It says Happy Hearts Day, Be My Valentine, and it kind of has like a scrapbooking feel too at the same time. The next plate is plate M450 and lace P112, and then the lace plate. This is tons of little lacy details. Right? The black nail is beautiful and it's so simple. That's it. Done. And this is our last one. And this is M453. If you love ribbons and bows, I realized we didn't have just a plate that had only ribbons and bows, so we had to make one. Look at how good that looks. Which one do you think I was most excited about?